how to use the egg stripper. If this is your first time using your new egg stripper, begin by washing it with soap and water. First, fill a medium-sized pot with enough water to cover the eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and bring to a full boil. Gently spoon in the eggs, bring the water back to a boil, and then cook for 12 minutes. Next, remove the eggs from heat and immediately run cold water thoroughly over the eggs. Add enough ice into water to create an ice bath. Leave the eggs in for 10 minutes to chill. To strip the eggs, fill the egg stripper with cold water to the fill line. Then add 1 to 5 eggs. Hold the egg stripper with both hands in an upright position and shake for 5 or 6 seconds. Then open and remove your peeled eggs. If you get a stubborn egg, keep the egg in the water and massage the shell until it slides off. And that's all there is to it. Thanks again for choosing the egg stripper.